In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a currency field in Airtable so you can track pricing, budgets, or expenses with proper formatting. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. Start by opening your browser and heading over to Airtable. If you're not already signed in, click the Login button in the top right corner and enter your credentials. Once you're in your workspace, open the base where you want to make changes. A base is just Airtable's name for a project or database, so click on whichever one contains the data you need. Inside that base, you'll see a list of tables on the left. Select the table where you want to add the new field. This might be something like products, projects, or invoices. Now, look at the very top of your table, where the column headers are. You'll see a small plus button at the end of those headers. Go ahead and click that plus button. A blank field will appear. Give it a name. For example, you might type price if you're tracking product costs, or budget if you're managing project spending. Once you've entered the name, a menu will pop up asking you to choose a field type. Scroll down or search for currency and select it. After you choose the currency type, you'll see options to customize it. Pick your currency. Common ones are USD for US dollars, PHP for Philippine pesos, or EUR for euros, whatever fits your needs. Then, set formatting options like how many decimal places you want to display. If you're working with whole dollar amounts, you might choose 0 decimals. For something like a budget, where cents matter, keep it at 2. Once everything looks good, click Create Field or Save, depending on your view. Now comes the fun part. Click inside any cell in your new currency column and type an amount, say 1,000 or 49.99. Then press Enter on your keyboard. Airtable will automatically format it with the correct currency symbol and decimal places, so you don't have to manually type the $ or comma. That's really the beauty of this field type. It keeps your data clean and consistent. A quick tip for you. Currency fields are ideal for pricing, budgets, expenses, and invoices. To keep your base organized, make sure you use the same currency format throughout. You can even combine currency fields with number or formula fields for deeper financial tracking and use filters to quickly analyze high or low-cost items. And that's how you add a currency field in Airtable.